Hello friend, welcome to JTech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unlink Facebook and Instagram accounts. Unlinking your Facebook and Instagram accounts can offer better privacy, removing suggestions from the other apps and reduce annoying notifications. So there are two types of method to remove or unlink these accounts. First one is from Instagram and second one is from Facebook. I will show you the both ways. So let's start today's topic. Firstly, we are going to remove from Instagram account. First of all, open your Instagram account. Now tap at your profile. Tap at three horizontal lines. Now tap at account center. Now scroll it up and down the bottom you can see option accounts. Simply tap it here. Now page my screen you can see at the bottom my Facebook linked. Now simply tap at remove and after that your Facebook account will be unlinked from your Instagram account. Now the second method is from Facebook. Simply open your Facebook account, tap at three horizontal lines, now scroll it up, tap at settings and privacy. Now again tap at settings, now tap at account center. Now again scroll it up and down the bottom you can see accounts. Simply tap at accounts. Now page my screen you can see my Instagram account has been linked. Now simply tap at remove to unlink your Instagram account from your Facebook. Like this you can easily unlink your Facebook and Instagram account from your both applications. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you do like so, please like it and share it with your friends and family members. And finally, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos notifications. And if you have any question related to this or other, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.